Check out these tips about making money online to gain comprehensive knowledge of the topic. It may seem crazy to think you can make an online income. But learning to earn money online is simpler than you imagined, if you just know how. This video will present it to you clearly. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. Figure out how much you are looking to make before you begin. For example, I don't want to work for less than $15 per hour, otherwise spending time with my family or completing chores would be more worthwhile to me. What is your worth? Once you determine it, stick to your guns. Begin a blog. Setting up and maintaining a blog is a great way to earn money online. By setting up an AdSense account, you can earn money for each click that you receive from your blog. Although these clicks often get you only a few cents, you can earn some hard cash with proper marketing. Advertise for other people to make money online. Selling advertising space on your site can be one of the most reliable ways to turn a profit online. For example, if you have a blog with a lot of followers, people may want to work with you and pay to put an ad up on your site. These ads take viewers to another site that offers them items or services. With luck, this video had what you needed to know to get started in making some money on the internet. You are sure to encounter lots of online money-making opportunities. Be sure to keep your wits about you and focus on finding legitimate offers. Start out slowly, and eventually the money will materialize. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.